Hey, my name is Jack. Today I will represent an amazing list of electronic products. This video about
Catadioptric Telescopes.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
Hello, I'm Ken with Orion Telescopes and Binoculars, and here we're looking at the Orion StarMax 90mm tabletop Maksutov-Cassegrain. It's, like I said, 90mm. It's a Mac-Cass, which means that it's a very compact system. A refractor of the same diameter would be very long, so the Maksutov design shrinks it down by making the light bounce around inside a couple times. So very good for portability, taking on the airline with you, camping, when you don't have a lot of room for equipment. This is a great little telescope. A 90mm Mac is great for moon and planetary details, the rings of Saturn, Club Hell on Jupiter, moons around Jupiter. It's got a lot of high magnification and good contrast, so excellent for that kind of work. For deep sky objects, the brightest of the deep sky objects you'll be able to see, maybe the Orion Nebula or the core of the Andromeda Galaxy. That's within the reach of 90mm. But the best objects for something like this, moon and planetary detail. In addition to just being a tabletop telescope, you can actually use a floor-standing tripod. Any camera tripod, provided it's capable of carrying this weight, you can attach the tripod down on the bottom and use this as a swivel mount on top of your tripod. Or if your tripod's not quite as heavy duty, you can just break it apart here and use the 1/4-20 adapter on the bottom and use this as a spotting scope. It comes with a couple of accessories, two eyepieces, a 25mm and a 10mm, a red dot finder scope, so when you look through that you see a little dot floating in the sky, just put the dot right on the object you want to see and away you go. So again, this is the StarMax 90mm Maksutov-Cassegrain telescope. Thank you very much.
With the Celestron FirstScope, everyone in your family can enjoy stargazing. We've taken the frustration and intimidation out of astronomy with this compact, easy-to-use, affordable tabletop telescope. Don't let FirstScope's lightweight, compact design fool you. Inside, there's a full 76mm primary mirror with serious light-gathering ability. FirstScope provides dazzling views of all the most popular celestial objects, from the Moon and Saturn to the Orion Nebula and Pleiades open star cluster. The tabletop Dobsonian style mount makes pointing the telescope at objects smooth and easy. Just rotate the telescope base, then loosen the knob and point the scope towards the object. Make any fine adjustments while looking through the low-power eyepiece. Once you've centered your object, get a closer view with the high-powered eyepiece. The classic FirstScope features a custom wrap paying tribute to history's most notable astronomers and scientists. Celestron also offers several special edition FirstScope models with different designs and accessory options. When you're out under the stars, use Celestron's free Sky Portal mobile app for iOS and Android to locate objects in the night sky. As you observe, listen to Sky Portal's audio descriptions for the most popular objects. Happy stargazing!